Hey everyone, Tony Winston here for Classical Piano Workshop. We're going to work in Suzuki Book 4 today on the Sonatina in G major. It's actually Sonata in G major by Beethoven, opus 49, number 2, first movement. Students tend to have the most trouble right here at the beginning because we have triplets, we have regular eighths, we've got fivelets, a quintuplet for the trill, and, lots of different note values. So the metronome is essential. And I've got the metronome clicking in my ear here, and I'm going to do it at 72. I'm going to count it first and play along with me, even if it's just one hand. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Geographical map. Now, why did I say geographical map? Because it's a 5-syllable word, geographical, and then I need a word for the note that I land on. Geographical map. Hippopotamus pie. You could come up with your own. When you use words like this, it's easier than counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Hippopotamus. Geographical. One geographical map. Okay, here we go again. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Geographical map, and 3, and, all right, and 4, and 1. Notice the left hand here in measure 4. Okay, now, I'm going to do it 3 more times just to give you practice. Ready, go. 2. Second time. Ready, go. With the metronome. Ready, go. Okay, second line. Now we have the same triplets. 1. But then the left hand has some regular eighth notes. So we need to play these accurately. All right, so here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and geographical map. All right, now I'm going to do this 3 more times. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. One more time. Ready, go. Now, you might have a little trouble with the trill here because the left hand's playing 2 notes while the right hand's playing 5 notes. They don't exactly line up, but you need to start together and end together like this. Okay, that's a good way to practice it, like I was just doing there. All right, there's another little thing that happens down here in the end of the third line. Measure 12, we've got a turn, and they show you how to do it down here at the bottom, letter C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. So the and of 1 is where the triplet comes. 1 and 2 and 3. All right, so I'm going to play, let's see, where will I start? I'll start at measure 9 for now. Ready, go. All right, again from measure 9. Ready, go. Triplet, triplet, triplet. And you know, right there at measure 15, we're going into triplets with both hands, and we're coming out of even eighths. There is absolutely no way to learn how to do this correctly without the use of a metronome, or you just have to have a super strong internal sense of rhythm. You know, you're really feeling it, like, and you're keeping your body moving at the same tempo. Okay, so we've had the metronome set at 72. Let's crank it up here to 84. And when you practice by yourself, you know, use those speeds in between, 76 and 80. All right, here we go. I'm going to play the entire first page down to about measure 20, and with the metronome, first in my ear, and then I'll unplug it so you can hear it too. All right, so set on 84. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, you're going to hear the metronome loud and clear now. Here we go. Ready, go. Now, I've heard concert pianists play it about twice that fast, so without even changing the metronome, I'll just pretend now that the metronome, well, I'm not going to pretend, but the metronome is now on half note, so. don't know. I think that's a tad fast. Let's see. Let me try it at like a 76 here. 76 to the half note. Ready, go. Now, some other things, too, you want to be aware of. When you get to these triplets here in measure 15. All right. You know, third finger's okay. Fourth finger's probably a little better. Five, four, two, one. And a few little right hand things over here. Watch this. 4 and 2, 1 and 3. Keep that connected there. I know it looks kind of funny, you know, you're on 4 and 2 and then your third finger reaches out like that. It's kind of rude looking, isn't it? But there it is. You reach out like that and then 5 and 2 are ready. Okay, any other things? Yeah, follow the fingering here, because it gives you the phrasing. If you do the right fingering, you'll get the right phrasing. Okay, that's all I'm going to do on this piece today. The most important thing, though, of course, is practice slowly with perfect rhythm. And, you know, play along with me. If you're unsure, just play right along with what I was doing, and then set your metronome at the same tempo and practice that way. Okay, thanks a lot.